What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you my top 5 crypto mining platforms. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so starting it off with number 1, who doesn't know what Binance is? But do you guys know that it has its own Binance pool? So this is actually the landing page of Binance pool. Link to this will be in the description of the video. With this smart pool, guys, users can mine multiple currencies using the same algorithm and increase their profit margin by automatically adjusting the hash rate. And the SHA-256 algorithm is actually supported in Binance Smart Pool, guys. And the user's hash rates can automatically be switched from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hash or BCH and BSV, and the final mining profit will be paid out in Bitcoins. Now guys, with Smart Pool, users can actually mine multiple currencies using the same algorithm and increase their profit margin by automatically adjusting the hash rate. So you can go ahead and check them out, guys. Do your own research, and they have their frequently asked questions here. You could check this one out. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. But again, this is Binance Smart Pool, so it is actually one of the safest place to do your mining because it has an excellent credibility, in my honest opinion. So that is the first in our list. The second one is NGS Crypto. Now guys, for NGS Crypto, it is a technology company that was founded in 2018. So you would see the team also share their faces, and they also have the LinkedIn accounts down there. That way you could also do your own research and check out who these people are and what are the credentials that they have. Now, one of NGS Crypto's goal is actually the focus of digital assets since their founding in 2009. Now, offering a global substitute for the established finance and money system, a new asset class would offer an alternative to the way we transact and how money was sparked by the devastation of debt-fueled economies. So you can go ahead and check them out as well, guys. They have community involvement here. And guys, the technology that powers all digital assets can be used for anything from paying your rent to buying your house, your car, or any other assets that you could think about. You can even be applied to small transactions like filling out your car with gas. What incentive would there be anyone to choose? So this is actually the power of NGS Crypto. You can go ahead and check them out. There are a lot of information in their website. Link to this will also be in the description of the video. And then third, on our list, guys, as you can see, we are in the about because we want to make sure that we are sharing as much helpful information as we can to you. That way you could decide which mining platform you are going to be using. So with BMine, guys, it is a unique mining company that was founded in the beginning of 2018 and is based on the idea of security, transparency, and modern electric usage. Because as you all know, guys, when talking about mining, we are also talking about electric consumption. It is one of the highest expenses that you will ever pay if you are in that business. So that is also a part of their goals. Now, guys, the company permits online cryptocurrency mining without requiring the equipment owner to actively participate in the process. So rather, the service brings together equipment owners and data centers to mine cryptocurrency together. The partnership is actually open to owners of mining hotels, and the equipment owners are also welcome to install it on affiliated data centers. Now, guys, for a fair price, BMine also enables you to buy up to 1 out of 100 of a particular ASIC share. And it is going to be useful in beginning mining coins without the beginning to entirely purchase an entire rig and spend a humongous amount of money. So that is a good way to start your mining or cryptocurrency mining career. All right. Now that is BMine, guys. You could go ahead and check them out. Trusted partners for ultimate experience delivery. You have a lot of faces in there. You have the company information. You have people here. So you have also the faces of the people behind the project. So make sure to do your own research before you start investing. All right. And then fourth on our list, guys, is Ecos. With Ecos, you have a lot of different choices. All right, you have cloud mining, you have miner rental, you have Bitcoin miners, you have used ASICs. We actually also have created videos about this one in the channel. Go ahead and check that one out. So you have different plans that you could choose from. So depending on your budget, the hash rates and all, duration, service fees are all here. You also have TH per day, how much you could earn out of your investment per day. So those are all in there as well. So when you do your own research, you could even use their profitability calculator here, right? So that is actually a good way for you to like have a forecast. Is this worth it, right? If I'm going to be investing this amount of money, will it be worth it? How long will it take for me to get ROI or a return of the investment that I actually, put up in this business? So those are all in this website. So go ahead and check them out. You also have how do I get started here. Okay, so you have sign up, activate demo mining, you have create and buy your contract, and you have the FAQs here, which is, I feel, very, very helpful, especially for people that are new in terms of, mining cryptocurrency or whatnot. You guys can go ahead and check this one out. You could start with FAQs, or you could even start with, checking the entire website and see for yourself what are the things that you need to know before you start investing. And then last, guys, but definitely not the least in our list today is the Stormgain. Now, anybody can actually trade cryptocurrencies, guys. Don't get me wrong, but with Stormgain, it is actually a practical option for people looking to make long-term investments in cryptocurrency assets and profit from the rise or fall of the cryptocurrency market. Now, guys, motivated by the goal of increasing trading profits for all participants, Stormgain combines the finest features of investments and cryptocurrency markets to provide a platform for trading through cryptocurrency future contracts. Now, with a 300x multiplier, yes, 300x, guys, 300x multiplier, the platform lets you trade the most popular cryptocurrency pairs and offer opportunities in both rising and falling markets. So that is actually the best part of you doing cryptocurrency mining, is that you could profit from the rise and fall of the price actions for the crypto tokens. Now, guys, everything you need to fully enjoy trading is provided here in Stormgain, guys. And you also have media about Stormgain. You have Yahoo Finance, Crypto Daily, and other things that you guys could go about. You have about us there. You could also start your own research with this one, that you would know who Stormgain is more before, you decide, because we have 5 excellent mining platforms that you guys could go ahead and choose from. But again, make sure to always do your own research and stay until the end screen videos, guys. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your cryptocurrency journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you will consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.